Friends, welcome to my channel SS Worry. Friends, today in this video I am going to show you that how to save your child to watching unwanted contacts on your mobile phone. Friends, you are giving your mobile phone to your child to learn something from internet, but they are some childs they are using some other things on internet. And if you are parents, if you want to avoid your child to watch these type of contacts on internet, then you have to do one setting in your mobile phone. For that, friends, I will show you that how what is the trick to do, and I will show you by doing the same process, and you will see that the how all these things are happen. Now just open your Google, and you can see the Google search is here. Now search something here like okay, I'm searching this porn movies, and you can see it's all are here. If I'm clicking on any link, then you will see the entire contacts of this websites. And if you want your child to stop watching these type of contacts on your mobile phone or on your child's mobile phone, then you have to do one setting in this the setting of your Google account. Now you can see the three dots on the left hand side upper corner. Just click on these three dots and click on this setting. Once you click on this your setting, you will see this type of window. Now just click on this account and privacy. Click on this in the account and privacy. Click on this save search filter. This is a filter which filter all the this type of contacts so that you can protect your child to watch this type of contacts. Okay, I'm just switching on this from here. Now come back to again search page, and we will again search the same words in our search page. You can see I'm just clicking on this and click on this search. As you can just see your search porn movie did not match any documentation. Make sure all the words are spelled correctly. Try different keywords, try more general keywords, try fewer keywords. Friends, in this way, if your child are trying to watch this type of contacts on Google, on whatever other apps in your mobile phone which are showing the Google advertisements, friends, you can see many apps are showing Google advertisement at some place like at the bottom or some in the sites, and if they are all the apps using this Google ad functions, they will this setting will also affect to that apps also. So if I am switching off this and just switching off this save search, and then you will see the result again, and just clicking on this save search filter off, and now you can see the search result is ready. So friends, in this way you can protect you can avoid your child to watch these type of contacts on mobile phones, or you can use this trick on your laptop or PC also. Friends, hope you like my video. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.